How to install the IV pole holder. Prepare a 4mm Allen key. The IV pole is installed on the right-hand side. IV pole holder together with the bracket at the bottom. And 2 pairs of transitioning brackets. Step 1. Fasten one transitioning bracket to the side rack slightly. Step 2. Insert the lower bottom bracket to the transitioning bracket. Step 3. Adjust the IV pole holder to the same position as the mid crossbar of the rack. Then, attach the transitioning bracket. Step 4. Adjust the upper bracket to the suitable position. And fasten it to the rack with the other transitioning bracket.